Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are doing a service call, and customers complain that it is not getting cold enough, and we opened up the evaporator coil and found this here. You can see all this here is rusted out. So let me borrow this light here really quick. That's bad. Oh, that bad. So here you go. And the thing is that he was not getting cooling, and like I said, it's rusted out completely. So they need a new evap coil. So benefit is they'll have better AC. Here comes summertime, springtime and summer. So call us for AC heat and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us at the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. You can also find us on YouTube videos under ABC Austin Service Express. Okay, thanks guys. See you on the next video. Bye.